Hey, welcome to How's It Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to create an Outlook 2019 calendar invite. Double-click on the Outlook icon to open the app. Click on New Items in the top left corner. Choose Meeting. You can edit the meeting information in the new window. Enter the subject and the location of the meeting. Set the start and the end time. If you have an all-day event, check this option. You can switch between views type under the Show category. You can view it as scheduling or as an appointment. If you go to the Options box and click on Recurrence, you can schedule the recurrence of the event. You can also set a reminder about the event under the same Options box, for example, 30 minutes before it. The last thing is to fill in the to line with the email addresses. You can type emails and separate them with a comma, or click on To and choose emails from an address book. Click on Send when you're done filling in all the information. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!